To install Python, you go to Python download. So I'll click on the first one. Or you can just go to python.org/downloads. It will still give you the same results. So I'll download for Windows by clicking on this one, and you can download for Linux or Mac. So I'll click on download. So it's downloading at the top right hand here. So I'll wait for it to finish. So now that it's completed, I'll click on it. I can also find it in your download folder. So I'll wait for it to pop up. So I'll click on use admin privilege, add to path. So this is important. Then I'll click on install now. I'll click on yes. So I'll wait for the process to finish. All right, so now that it's finished, if you want, you can disable this path limit. So you click on it and you say yes. Then you click on close. So that's how to install Python on your computer. So to confirm it's installed, you can just go to your search and type Python. So if you're able to see it, so it shows that it is installed successfully.